guys, I'm your nutritionist Sonali Malik. Today I'm here to talk about diabetes. So first of all, I would like to tell you what causes diabetes. See, diabetes is a metabolic disorder. It causes people to have too much glucose in their blood. But we all need some glucose because it is what that gives us energy. We get glucose when our bodies break down the carbohydrates that we eat or drink, and that glucose is released into our blood. We also need a hormone called insulin that is secreted by our pancreas, and it is insulin that allows the glucose in our blood to enter our cell and fuel our bodies. So there are two kinds of diabetes. First is type 1 diabetes, in which the body produces either little or lesser insulin. Type 2 diabetes, this is because of your lifestyle disorder. So now the question arises, how to improve your lifestyle? So there are two ways to improve it. First, by physical activity. Second, by moderation of diet. So one has to follow a healthy diet. A healthy diet does not mean that you need to starve or keep away from food. But you can always eat good complex carbs to keep your sugar levels in control. Either there are people who are not suffering from it, but they are prone for it. Like people who have the family history of diabetes. In order to prevent the occurrence of diabetes, we need to have food which are high in fiber. So some high fiber foods are bran, oats, dalia, fruits and vegetables. Apart from it, there are people who are already suffering from diabetes and they want to cure it or they want to control it. So for them, the best thing is to have barley, which is called jau in Hindi. You can take barley roti mixed with kala chana atta roti in summer. That works on your carbohydrate metabolism and reduces the glucose levels in the blood. And you can also take ragi in winters. Secondly, we talk about vegetables. Apart from starch, you can ideally take all the vegetables. Which are not allowed are potatoes, kathal, arbi. Thirdly, we talk about fruits. Though it depends upon the sugar levels which foods are allowed. But there are two fruits that are completely safe, that is jamun and guava. These two things can be taken any quantities for the person who is diabetic. Fourthly, we talk about the fat. Fat should be taken in moderation. Apart from this, even food that is low in GI can be taken as they are slowly digested, causing slower rise in your blood sugar levels. In case if you are not able to follow all these things, so there are certain kitchen herbs that help to control your sugar levels, like karela and jamun powder. Both these things, if taken half an hour before your meal, will act as a diabetes medicine and reduce your blood sugar levels. Secondly, fenugreek seeds, which is also called methi dana. You just need to soak 1 teaspoon of methi dana seeds in water overnight and drink the water next morning. And you can also take methi dana seeds. They will also help to reduce your blood sugar levels. Next, barley seeds. Water. If you soak 1 teaspoon of barley seeds in a bottle of water and consume it next morning, whole day, it will help in carbohydrate metabolism. Plus, because barley seeds are cold in potency, it will give your body a little bit of hydration during this weather. Fourthly, you can have lady finger water. You just need to cut both ends of the lady finger, soak it overnight in 1 katori of water, throw the lady finger next morning and drink the lava. And the last thing is your paneer doda, which is normally known as paneer ke phool, which works wonders for people with type 1 diabetes. You need to soak 5-6 seeds of paneer overnight, squeeze them, throw the seeds and drink the water overnight. So this is all I want to tell you about diabetes. Keep going, stay fit and healthy. Thank you guys, take care.